Let's set the barbell back squat up. These things are important. If you're going to fail, these things are going to stop you from crushing yourself. So set them up roughly just below hip height, but you can check that by squatting down, looking in the mirror and just seeing roughly where it is in relation to your shoulders. You want it just below the deepest part so that if you are squatting, it's not going to get in the way, but if you need to bail, you can drop it on the bars. I do not want to see any pads on there. Those pads are not designed for squatting. If you put them on your back, they're going to encourage you to lean forward, which is going to put pressure on your lower back. If the bar hurts, you've probably got it on the wrong spot on your back. So hands on the bar, make sure it's even. You don't want to be one side or the other. We're going to get under the bar and you want it on the shoulders. So if you are feeling it on the neck, that bony part about there is too high. So get it on the shoulders. There's a natural shelf there. So let's use it. We want our feet directly under the bar, about hip width apart, and we're going to drive up. We take 1 step, 2 steps back, open the feet into our normal stance, toes turned out slightly. Then just before we squat, we're going to brace the core. Now what we mean by that, breathe into the diaphragm, big breath, push the belly button out, and we're ready to squat. Then push the hips back, bend the knees so the knees go forward over the toes, keep the head and chest up. We notice we control the downward portion, so control down, push the knees forward, drive through the feet up, then re-racking, we walk into the bar, put it against the bar and down, and that's the squat.